A helicopter helped police identify a suspect hiding in a forest belt.
There's a red truck I was standing right in front of.
No, the unit's pulling in that parking lot now. The unit that just pulled in is a truck straight in front of you, all the way back to the left. We can just get a 6-7 while they check and make sure this isn't a person.
I'll get a 567 at 1710 hours. I'll get a 567 at 1710 hours.
Hey, this is the Atlanta Police Department. Come out with your hands up now. Let me see your fucking hands. Don't move.
Crawl this way.
Crawl this way.
Crawl this way.
Try to run, you're gonna get fucking tased. Come out.
Crawl out, dude.
Crawl out. This way, over here. Crawl. Keep crawling.
Stay to the ground. Roll over. On your stomach. On your stomach.
Try and get us up now.
Other hand back here. Other hand back here. Hey, we got one there.